Hello everyone. So in my last video we were talking about partnership and we were done with features of partnership, then advantage of partnership and disadvantage of partnership. Yes. So in this video we will know about types of partners, then types of partnership and partnership deed. Okay. So let's start. Types of partners. So the partners, here we will discuss about the partners types. So there are different types of partners and they may be classified as under. Number one is general or active partner. Such a partner takes active part in the management of the firm. That means an active partner is one who takes active part in the day-to-day working of the business. As we say that he is active, that means he is actively taking part in any activities. Yes, and he may act in different capacities such as manager or organizer, advisor, then controller of all the affairs of the firm. So he may also be called as working partner or active partner or general partner. The number two is sleeping or dormant partner. He does not take active part in the management of the firm, though he invests money, shares profit and loss, and unlimited liability. That means sleeping or dormant partner is a sleeping partner is one who contributes capital, shares, profits, and contributes to the losses of the business, but does not take part in the working of the concern. And that person may have money to invest, but he may not be able to devote time for the business. Such a person may become a sleeping partner. That means he is sleeping anytime he is not actively taking part in the business firm. So sleeping partner is liable for the liabilities of the business like other partner, but he cannot bind the business, that is firm, to third parties by his acts. He is not known to the public as a partner, so he may be called as secret partner. Okay. Then secret partner. He participates in business secretly without disclosing his association with the firm to general public. His liability is also unlimited. See, the position of a secret partner lies between the active and sleeping partner. His positions lies between the active and sleeping partner, okay? And his membership of the firm is kept secret from the outsiders. His liability is unlimited and he is liable for the loss of the business, and he can take part in the working of the business. So he is called as secret partner. Then fourth is nominal partner. Such a partner only gives his names and goodwills to the firm. He neither invests money nor take parts, but his liability is unlimited. That means a nominal partner is one who tend his name to the firm. He does not contribute any capital or nor does he shares profit of the business. He is known as partner to the third parties. On the strength of his name, the business may get more credit in the market or may promote itself. By his name only, the business will run or get the more profit. A nominal partner is liable to those third parties who give credit to the firm on the assumption of that person being a partner in the firm. Then we have partners by estoppels. Then he is the one who by his words or conduct gives impression to the outside world that he is a partner of the firm, whereas actually he is not. His liability is unlimited towards the third party who has entered into dealing with firm on the basis of pretensions. That means when a person is not a partner but poses himself as a partner either by word or in writing by his acts, he is called as partner by estoppel, okay, or by holding out. So, a partner by estoppel or by holding out shall be liable to outsider who deal with the firm on the presumption of that person being a partner in the business, even though he is not a partner and does not contribute anything to the business. The next is partner by holding out. It is same like that, partner by estoppel or holding out. He is the one who is falsely declared partner of the firm, whereas actually he is not. And even after becoming aware of it, he does not deny it. His liability is unlimited towards the party who has dealt with firm on the basis of his declaration. Partner by estoppel and partner by holding out is like same. Then minor is a partner. That means a minor is a person who has uh, not yet attained the age of majority. Yes, a minor cannot enter into a contract according to the Hindu contract Act, because a contract by the minor is void ab initio. However, a minor is the person who is of 18 years, who is less than 80 years, who has not attained 18 years, they are called as minors. And since he is minor, he is not capable to enlarging the valid agreement, and he cannot become the partner of the firm. However, a minor can be admitted to the benefits of an existing partner firm with the mutual consent of all other partners, and he cannot be asked to bear the losses. His liability will be limited to the equivalent of the capital contributed by him, and he will not be eligible to take an active part in the management of the firm. That means minor is not personally liable for liabilities of the firm, but his share in the partnership property and profit of the firm will be liable for debts of the firm. See, minor has a right like to such share of property and of profit of the firm as may be agreed upon by all the partners, and he may inspect the account of the firm or take note of the account. Okay, so at any time within 6 months of his attaining majority, that means completing 18 years of age, the minor may give public notice of the act that he has to decide or to become or not to become a partner of the firm. In case he does not give any such notice within 6 months, it shall be presumed that he has opted to become a partner. If a partner decides not to become a partner, his rights and liabilities continue to be those of a minor up to the date of which he gives public notice, and his share will not be liable for the acts of the firm done after the date of the notice. Okay. The next is types of partnership. So this partnership, the types of partnership is classified into two categories, that is classification on the basis of duration and classification on the basis of liability. So let's discuss about classification on the basis of duration. So number is partnership at will. So this type of partnership exists at the end of the partners. That means this type of partnership is formed for indefinite period and is known as partnership at will. The partnership continues up to the time the partner wants it, and it will come to end if they decide to dissolve it. So partnership exists at the will of the partners. That's why it is called as partnership at will. The next is particular partnership. This type of partnership is formed for a specified June period to accomplish a particular project consolidation of building. That means when a partnership is started for a particular work, then it is called a particular partnership. If it is start for some particular works, okay, and when the work is completed, then partnership automatically comes to an end. If the work is done, the partnership will automatically come to an end. For example, two persons enter into a partnership for constructing a bridge. Yes, and the partnership will come to an end when the construction of bridge is completed. For just for a time being, that partnership exists. That is called as particular partnership. Then Next is classification on the basis of liability. So this classification is done on the basis of liability. So number one is general partnership. So this liability of partner is limited and joint registration of firm is optional. That means in this type of partnership, the liability of members is unlimited and all of them can participate in management. And all the partners are collectively and personally liable for the liabilities of the firm. It means that the personal properties of partner can be used to meet the liabilities of the business. And if assets are not able to pay the business liabilities, all the partners are entitled to participate in the working of the partnership firm. In India, all the partnership are general partnership only. All people follow, all people make general partnership. The next is limited partnership. The liability of at least one partner is unlimited, whereas the other partners may have limited. Registration of firm is compulsory. That means in limited partnership, the liability of at least one partner is limited, while liability of other partner may be limited. And the partner with limited liability are called as special partner. Who have the limited liability, they will call as special partner, while those with unlimited liability are called general or active partner. So the liability of special partner is limited only to their capital in the business, whereas the liability of general partner or active partner can go beyond to their capitals. And the registration of these forms is very important, very compulsory. Next is partnership deed. So what is partnership deed? It is a written agreement on a stamped paper which specifies the terms and conditions of partnership is called a partnership deed. Okay, that means a partnership deed or a partnership arises out of a contract among partners. The contract or agreement may be oral or in writing. Okay, and understanding in writing is preferred to avoid misunderstanding later on. That means a document containing terms and conditions of the partnership agreements is called as partnership deeds. It is a document, okay, where all the terms and conditions of partnership agreement is written there or mentioned there, and it is called as partnership deed. And the term and condition or rules and regulations are put in writing on a stamped paper, and it also contains duties and responsibilities of partners. Though the content of the deed may vary from firm to firm, but certain clauses are incorporated to ensure smooth working of the firm. Okay. So here are some common content of a partnership deed are given. That means what are the deeds which is mentioned in a partnership deed. Number one is name of the firm. That means in partnership deed there will be the name of the firm, name of the business. The location and address of the firm, that means name and address of the partners, then location of our address of the firm. Next is duration of business, means for what time being this business is started. Next is investment made by each partner, means what are the investment, what are the capital that each partner has invested on the business is also mentioned in that partnership deed. Next is terms related to salary, drawing interest of capital and interest of drawing of partners. That means all the terms relating to the salaries, what salaries they are going to get or give, or drawing of interest of capital, if they are going to draw a capital, what interest they have to pay or take, or interest on the drawing of partners. This is also mentioned there. Then the profit sharing ratio of the partners, what are the profits this each partner is sharing, this also mentioned on that partnership deed. Then duties and obligation of partners, what are the duties and what are the responsibilities of the partners are also mentioned on that deed. Next is terms governing admission, retirement and exclusion of a partner, preparation of on-off account and their auditing. This also mentions once what are the terms of condition, how they got admission, when they were going to retire, and then what are the exclusion of the partner, and what are the preparation on-off accounts. Everything is mentioned there. Okay, this is method of solving. That means if any problems arises, how they are going to solve that. This everything is things is also mentioned on the partnership deed. So in next video we will know more about partnership. Thank you.